So hey guys, I'm again back with some good problem. Okay, this is problem of one of the renowned Olympiads. Basically, primate Olympiads. I'm not talking about PRMO and RMO. I'm talking about NSO and SoftWorld and ETC Olympiad. So I think that it's a quite potential problem. It would appear in PRMO for either 2 marks or either 3 marks. Yes, I think it's more probably would occur at 3 marks, because there are some easy problems too in 3 markers. And for 2 markers, I think it's little tougher, no, or maybe a moderate problem, but it's a quite like an Olympiad problem. So let's see what the problem says. So problem is very clear in its statement that there are positive numbers 1 to 55, and we have to arrange them in 5 groups such that the highest possible average median, okay, whatever will be the median of the one group. Okay, what is median? Median is the middle number of all the sequences when they are written in the ascending order. So whatever number comes in the middle is the median for odd number of observations. So ultimately there are 5 groups and each one will have a median because each group will have 11 members observation or whatever you can say them. So the so we have asked the highest possible average of all the medians of the different 5 groups. So we have to very intelligently divide all the groups. Now any student would say that for the highest average we would basically do 55 plus 56 or 5 groups, sorry, so 55, 56, 57, no, sorry, the highest number is 55. So we will start from 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55 for 5 groups. But obviously we all know that for all these numbers to come in middle, there must be at least 5 numbers bigger than it forward to it. Like for example, if we say that 28 is the median of the 11 observation, it means that it is the 6th number, it has the 6th position when all the observations and members are written in an ascending order. So there must be another 5 members greater than 28 in that particular group. So when we talk 55 as median, we should have 5 members in the group present over there. But since the highest possible the range is defined for the groups, so ultimately we would take 50 as median of the first group, so that yes friends, 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55 are 5 numbers down it, and there would be some 5 numbers above it. So it would be the median of the 11 observations, and it is the only highest possible median. 51 can't be the highest possible median because for 51 to be highest possible median, there must be at least, not at least, there must be 6 observations greater than 51, and we have a range of 55, so that's not possible, or for any other number. So 50 is the highest number which can be a median. But now since we want the highest average, we should take one of the highest possible numbers. So after 50, obviously 49 can be a median, but for 49 median, for 49 being median, there would be 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54, the 6 groups above it or after it. But since we have took 50 the median of the other group, we can't take 49 as the median of another group. So we are excluding this group in which 49 would be a possible median. Now you would ask that even this is possible that we exclude 50. This can happen. Okay, we are excluding 50 and we are including 55. Okay, so this would take place and there would be some xyz numbers over here. But since we want the highest average, we have to take 50. Okay, we have to take 50, because if we take 49, we would take 48 and we would miss 49 in the group, as we cancelled out 50 over here. So what would happen? There would remain 48, 49, then 47. So for the same, there would be 49, 48, 47, 45 and 44. 44, 45, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay. But now when we are talking about the 50s group, 51 will be in this group, and also in the 49s group, since we are discarding 50, there must be some 6 numbers greater than 41, 49, and it must have 51 in it, or else it's impossible to make up the group, and obviously one number can be only in one group, so 49 gets discarded. Same happens with 48, 47, 45, 44. Not with 44, because in 44 you can take 5 numbers greater than 44, and that would not be in common in this group. For example, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so these are the 5 numbers greater than 44 in its group, and it can be a median, because we would take any 5 numbers smaller than 44. That is not issue. We just want, the issue is about the bigger numbers. So there is no common number in these two groups. But if we take 45, there will be a common number, either 51, either 52, 53, of either 50. Obviously we would not take 50, because it is again in another group. So ultimately the next number would be 44 after 50. Now same will take place with 40. Now after 40, 43 can also be a median, but again it would have a common number. Now you would say that we would discard 45, 46, 47, 48, all these numbers we will not take in this group. We would take 50, 51 and all these numbers. But now since 50, 51 and all these numbers are taken in the 50s group, we have to discard 43 also. Same will happen with 42, 41, and directly we will go to 38. So you can see that we are jumping 6 numbers back. So somehow we have I think that you have developed the enough logic that 50 would be the median of one group, then 44 will be the median of one group, 38 will be a median of one group, 32 will be median of one group, and 27 will be the median of one group. And if you take the mean of this all numbers, 38 is going to come the mean, that is basically average. So what the main concept over here is that case analysis. You have to do case analysis for solving this type of questions. Even a simple, by using simple logic, you can solve this problem. I have given a bigger explanation because I think that many of the people, not basically many of the people, though there would be some viewers who would not understand the basic idea or the basic step or the basic mechanism behind this problem. So I have explained and made this video longer, and I think this is one of the easiest problem, not one of the easiest but somehow easy problem if you are familiar to such type of problems. And it's a quite confusing, not basically confusing, but quite tricky problem. Not much tricky, it's easy problem when you come in the field, when we talk about the mathematics Olympiad like PRMO and RMA. Thanks guys.